Hey guys, welcome back again to my video. So guys, in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how to prepare a um tomatoes paste, so in this video I'm going to be preparing tomatoes paste, just like tin tomatoes, so I have sliced my tomatoes and my bell pepper, and that ishobo, that red pepper, that long one, so at this point I dey try remove the seed. We don't need the seed inside, so you have to remove the seed. Then I'm trying to dice the stuff. After dicing, I've washed everything, so it's time to blend. So I'm blending it. After I finish blending, I'll just cook these tomatoes you are seeing here. So you see everything the way I do it. You are going to see everything, so stay tuned and watch this video. This is very good, because whenever I do this stuff here, this one you are seeing, so whenever I do it like this, when I'm using it to cook stew, so it make my life so easy. When the tomatoes is wet, when it's having water, when you are using it to cook, everywhere will just be messed up. So if you do it like this, you can store it inside your fridge everywhere. When you use it to cook, you enjoy it. So at this point I am just removing the water. I'm filtering it out. So guys, that's the English is not for me. Also manage the English you are hearing here. So that's it guys. So now I'm trying to remove the water. So after removing the water, I'll just store it inside my bowl. Then I'll place it inside my fridge. So whenever I want to make stew, I'll just take one of it. I'll just take it because it's only one. I did not make a lot today because of my pot. I'll just take the tomatoes to cook my stew. And this one help a lot. If you have not tried this type before, just give it a try. It. Is not good. It's not, in short, it's very easy. So try it. It's so nice, and when you use it to cook stew, you are going to come back and thank me. So at this point, all the water are drilled out. So I am going to be storing my tomatoes in this bowl. So all the water has drilled out. So when I'm using it to cook stew, you'll just enjoy. So that's it guys. So this is it. So subscribe to my channel and also follow my Facebook page. So that's it. And these tomatoes were a lot. So this is it. Thank you.
I watch those stuff tomorrow. Efosa, go and sleep. So guys, this is it. So you guys know that these tomatoes were many before, This is what we got. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below. I also want me to be sharing my video. Thank you for supporting me.